Wait a minute. That sounds familiar. Let's put it again. Wait. Wait a minute. That sounds... Wait a minute. This looks familiar. This looks familiar. This looks familiar. See? It sounds like SpongeBob's SquarePants. Really? They just really want to copy it? Because it sounds familiar. Because of the lyrics. Look. I can make the lyrics. SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants. See? The lyrics. And the Neo version of Sunday Night Suicide, it sounds familiar. And for some reason, Disney kind of made a creepypasta called Suicide Mouse for no reason. If it's just for Suicide Mouse, you'll see what comes up. Warning, jump scare.